Good day, sir. I am Gerald Dimalikayan from BSCS3B. This is our presentation, our final project. Our final project is Business Management System. Purpose of the system. The Business Management System is designed to help business manage their daily operation in an organized and efficient way. It reduces manual and paper-based work by storing all important data in one centralized system. The system helps improve accuracy, save times, and support better decision making by providing real-time information on sales, inventory, employees, and reports. It also ensures data security through role-based access and controlled user permissions. System scope. The system includes manage user account, admin and business owner, record and track sales and income, monitor and update inventory, generate reports, income, expenses, inventory, goals, set and track business goals, send and view notification, log out securely from the system. And next, target audience, business owner, managers, admin staff, inventory officer, accountant, finance and staff, decision maker, supervisors. Feature declaration must have mandatory for MVP: ID, feature name, description, priority. M1 user authentication, secure login, logout and session management for admin and business owner with role-based must have. M2 user account management, admin and business owner create, update and delete user account must have. M3 sales and incoming tracking, record and monitor sales, income and expenses efficiently must have. M4 inventory management, track inventory levels, update stock and manage product or materials must have. M5 report and dashboard, generate basic reports on sales, expenses, inventory and goals with visual dashboard must have. M6 goals setting and tracking, set business goals, monitor progress and track achievement over time must have. M7 notification, receive system notification on important updates, low inventory or goals progress must have. M8 secure logout, safely log out from the system to protect account and data must have. Should have ID, feature name, description, priority. S1 automated sales summary, system generate PDF Excel summary of daily, weekly or monthly sales for record keeping should have. S2 inventory alert, visual alert for low stock or inventory discrepancies to help admin business owner act quickly should have. S3 goals progress report, visual progress report showing achievement of business goals over time should have. S4 expenses categorization, ability to categorize and track expenses for better financial insight should have. S5 backup and data export, admin business owner can export data or create backup for security and reporting purposes should have. Could have, nice to have, ID, feature name, description, priority. C1 SMS, email, notification, automatic alert for sales, update, low inventory, goal, progress or important events could have. C2 predictive sales insights, suggest potential sales trends based on historical data GitHub. C3. AI assisted inventory alerts automatically identifies item likely to run out soon and recommend restocking. GitHub. C4. Visual dashboard themes. Option to customize dashboard visual and drop for better user experience. GitHub. Good day, sir. This is our demonstration for our final project. Our final project is business management system. So, una na ito buhaton, wala pa ta ka-register is magbuhat sa taog new account. Sa atong new account is muselekta og ato ang role. So, akong piliyon ni system admin. Natay pilapanan dre username, email address, o password and confirm password. So ako kay naka-register sa mo ko ani, so mag-login ako. Login account. Then sa atong dashboard natay sulod diri nga overview, income, expenses, goals, inventory, report, certification and logout. So ato ta sa overview. Sa overview na to is today's income, today's expenses, total profit, inventory value, pending goals, and unread notification. Then ito ta sa income. So sa atong income source is magpahalin ta karon og bike. Total amount is tag 3,000. Then iset na to ang date. Set date dayon add income. So makita na nato sa overview to this income. So makita po nato diri sa ubos ang record. So naa din nabutang 3,000. Ato ta sa expenses. So sa atong expenses is gabayad ta diri og electricity. Dayon ang amount is tag 1,000. Dayon iset na to ang date. Og ang utilities. So ang utilities nato is rent. Dayon add expenses. So mabutang dayon diri ang today's expenses nga 1,000 and total profit nga 2,000. Then ato din ta sa ato ang goals. Atong goals karon is magpahalin ta og car. Atong target amount is tag 50,000. Then set ang dates. So add goal. Dayon ang atong goal is na pending pa kay wala pa nato na-meet ang atong target na amount. So if ma-meet na nato ang target amount is ato ra siyang i-update. So put nga nato siya diri og 50,000 na amount. Then update. So makita din mo diri sa pending goal, so 0 na dili na sa pending. Then ato din ta sa inventory. So sa inventory is magpanta diri sa item og bike. Dayon quantity 5. Then price per unit is tag 3,000. Dayon atong category is transportation. Dayon 7. Add inventory. So kita din ito sa inventory value ang 15,000. Ato na punta sa reports. Imo na tag report sa business owner or sa akong amo. So type sa business report is mag-report ko sa income. So set na to ang date gikan sa pizza 1 hangtod sa pizza 15. Set date. Dayon all categories dayon generate report. Automatic makita din nato ang report. Na atong total income nga 3,000, tapos pwede nato sa i-print report. So expenses dayon set nato ang date ikan sa pizza 1 padulong sa pizza 15. So generate report. Kita din nato diri total expenses is 1,000. So ato na sang ibak. So ato na punta sa notification. So kani notification is mura lang ni siya og reminders kung nabay na dugang sa tong item or nabay nakulang or wala na meet na mga target amount. So ato dai sang mark all as read back, then log out na dayon ta. Mura to. Thank you.